If you accidentally have multiple Facebook accounts, you can always delete those additional accounts so that only your primary account exists if you don't mean to have all of those alternate accounts. I'll show you exactly how to do that. Let's open up the Facebook app or go to facebook.com. We need to get to your settings. So on my iPhone, you can see the menu button at the bottom right. Just tap on that. However, on your device, it might be at the top left or top right. From here, scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Settings. From here, tap on Account Center at the top, and then tap on where it says towards the bottom, Manage Accounts. Find that specific account that you want to delete. So the additional or alternate account, just tap on Manage next to it, and then tap on Deactivation or Deletion, and then switch it to Delete. Next, just hit Continue, and it says, why are you choosing this? You can choose whatever you want, and hit Continue, and hit No, Continue with Deletion instead. Now, it will say basically what this will do, and you might want to download your information. Just hit Continue when you're ready, and you will need to enter in your password. So just autofill or enter the password for that additional Facebook account, and it will be permanently deleted. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.